So today is a big day because the Indian Railways will be gradually restarting passenger train services from today, and on day one, 8 special passenger trains will run. The first train to depart will be from New Delhi Junction to Bilaspur, and in a short while from now. A total of 15 pairs of trains, remember, are being run connecting 15 important cities, and only air-conditioned coaches will be used for this experiment, and only those with confirmed e-tickets will be permitted to enter into the railway station. It will also be mandatory for passengers to wear a face cover, undergo screening before departure, and only passengers who are at least asymptomatic will be allowed to travel. Kerala government, meanwhile, has made it mandatory for passengers coming to the state to apply for passes. After initial hiccup in online bookings yesterday evening, over 45,533 PNR were generated and reservations has been issued to more than 82,317 passengers.
When you arrive in Howrah station, what would be the preparation like? Any person entering the Howrah station will have to go through a basic medical checkup of the screening of the temperature, and of course every person will be screened through. No vehicles will be allowed. Now this means that the entire old cab road will now be utilized only for the passengers. What does that mean? There will be an entire area that has been sanitized completely and will also be adhered to with the following of these marks that have been made in the entire passage. The passages will be monitored by the RPF personnel who are deployed at every corner of the entire route that takes you up to the railways. That means the platform. That is where the passengers have been allowed to, but will be completely monitored, but made it in a very special way to ensure that every person who comes in is screened, is examined, and if there are any symptoms, would not be allowed to board the train. That is the right of every railway personnel who's deployed here. With that, even the passengers who are coming in, if they do not have a confirmed ticket, they will not be allowed to board the train too. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for India Today.
So which are the trains running and what is the schedule of their departure? Let's take a look. From New Delhi to Dibrugarh, this will be at about 4:45 p.m. Then Howrah to New Delhi will be at about 5 p.m. sharp. From Mumbai Central to the national capital New Delhi, it will be departing at about 5:30 p.m. and Ahmedabad, New Delhi will be at 6:20 p.m. departure. Also, Rajendra Nagar in Patna from New Delhi will be at about 7:20 p.m. Also, Bengaluru to New Delhi train is scheduled at 8:30 p.m. and New Delhi to Bengaluru will be at about 9:15 p.m. So what is the ground update? How is it being received by lakhs of passengers who would want to now travel out? I'm joined by my colleague Milan Sharma. She's been tracking all the latest. Milan, how is day one looking at the train station? I can already see a lot of activity behind you, but are precautions being taken? Milan.
Well, Pooja, yes, today has been a very hectic day as far as the railways authorities are concerned, because we saw long lines right outside the New Delhi railway station hours before the 4 o'clock train was supposed to depart. And now all the passengers who had queued up outside New Delhi have gone inside over here, and you can see how proper barricading has been done on the entry point of the railway station. Now, let me tell you why this is of significance, because this has never happened before, and suddenly after the corona epidemic happened in the country, the railways is taking all precautions. Every single passenger was thermal screened as and when the entry was being done, and everyone had a confirmed ticket. Earlier you could go inside the railways and go inside the platforms with a platform ticket as well, but that wasn't allowed this time.
Because I have an added question here to what you're telling us, Milan, that you are at New Delhi Junction, that's where the trains are departing from. Has the first train departed yet? Any information on that? Because yesterday there were a lot of problems with the website. What are you picking up on the scheduled departures?
Well, just as we speak shortly, the train is all set and ready to go, because the passengers have now been screened and they have been taken inside the train. From there, they will, await when the green signal to start the train will be sent out. And just in a short while now, Pooja, the train will commence its first journey post the lockdown, and this is a big step that has been taken by the Indian Railways to ferry passengers from one state to another. But certainly a lot of firsts this time that have happened for the railways, and first is also one exit and entry point, as my other colleagues also from other bureaus are reporting. Anyone and everyone could enter and exit the railway stations, but not anymore, and there are going to be proper entry exit points from where one can enter and go. As far as the Shramik special trains are concerned, let me also tell you that operation will also continue alongside the passenger trains. But the passenger train fares will be slightly more expensive, equivalent to a Rajdhani. So people are paying more to travel, but what we've heard is they are happy to at least go back to their home places and home states.
Well, lovely. At least there's a beginning, but this will also be an experiment because a lot of precautions will also have to be taken. Milan Sharma reporting the first ground update coming in, the first train set to depart. Milan, thank you very much.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.